So in the last lecture, we wrote a test case for showing up like to assert a button in the in the component, and then when the test case was failing, we actually went back to the component and added the button. Similarly, in this uh, video, we'll again follow the same TDD principle. We'll first write a test case. So what in this component, what I'm expecting is, if I click on this button, which we have created in the last lecture, I want to show a text to the user. So it's very simple, right? There is a button on the component. I'll click it and I'll say simple click, right? So as not to make anything complicated, I'll say clicked, right? So my test case is should show clicked when button is pressed, right? Very simple test case, very simple use case, right? So I'll say again, I am rendering my user list, right? And I'll say const what I want to do, get by role equals to get by role, right? So now, because I have already asserted that the button is present, I'll try to click this button. So in Jest, I can simply say click and get by role the button. Because I have just a single button on my web page, I can simply get by role and click it. Now what I want to do is, I will say expect, and I want to expect by uh, text, right? So I'll have to add that method here. So I'll say get by text, right? And I'll say get by text, and inside this I'll say clicked, right? Dot to be in a document. Very simple, right? So what I am doing is, I am getting the button, I am clicking on the button, and I am pressing it, and I expect the clicked to be in the document. But if you see, it is not there in my DOM, which means my requirement is failing. So let's now the first part of the TDD is done. We have a test case which is failing. Now let's try to make it or pass it, right? So because I want to click it, I need on click event handler, right? I'll first create a click handler, and I'll say on click, right? Now I have to use a state, right? So in React hooks, I can say uh, click set click, right? Because to use state, so use state is a hook, and the uh, initial value is false because I have not clicked anything, right? So now in this, I'll say set clicked true, right? Simple. I'm not doing anything. I have taken a state of this component, I have clicked it. And in my component, I'll say clicked, and I'll say, right? Now, if you see, my test case is passing. Why? Because what this test case is doing is, it is first getting the button. Okay, I have the button in my web page or the component. Then it is clicking on this button. When it will click on this button, this event handler will be invoked. It will set the clicked flag as true. And what I have done is, I have said if this is true, then show clicked, right? It is a kind of a shorthand. So I have said if it is true, then show this, and that is what being shown. If I want to prove it, I can change the text and it will fail, right? Because I have clicked and I am checking for click, right? So I hope this again made the TDD part even more clear for you. We have even tried firing events, checking for random or dynamic text, everything by TDD. So this is kind of the like I have covered TDD for almost all the things. Please do let me know if you have some doubt on the things which we have covered in these four videos. I will be more than happy to reply to all the comments or queries in the comment section. And if you liking this series, then please like and subscribe, and please share it with your friends so that I can even uh, add more topics and more component or more things in the series. Thanks everyone.